We have a late 20s or early 30s male, 5'9", 140 pounds, assumed cause of death, overdose of sleep aid pills.
Normal procedure then?
Yes. Y incision, internal exam, will be done by lunch.
Ow! Just what in bloody hell do you think you're doing poking at me with that like I'm eggs on a plate?
But you're dead.
I most assuredly am not dead. Look.
You're dead.
But I'm not dead.
Yes, you are.
Quit arsing about. I'm still breathing. Look.
There, your right lung's collapsed.
Bollocks. Still breathing.
No more breathing for you.
My heart's still beating, isn't it?
No more heart either. What do you have to say now?
I ain't dead.
Look, asshole. It says right here. You're dead, see?
Is this even authentic? Well, yeah, there's the coroner's signature. All right, well, sorry for the confusion. Guess I went a bit arse over kettle for a moment there. Guess I shan't bandy about any further. I'm for calling it a day. Me last one, I suppose it were. All right. Cheerio.
Christ.
How are we going to explain the wounds?
Let's see. Cause of death, multiple stab wounds to the chest.
No, I meant my wounds.
Dun, dun, dun. Did you?
Yeah, go ahead.
No, you first.
Oh, well, I was just going to say, really not that into Star Trek Voyager.
What? Are you sexist or just racist?
Both?
God!
Good work, Doc.
Yeah. Appreciate you helping me out of that jam back there, but I don't think I want to be party to this thing, whatever it is.
Sorry, don't know what you mean.
What happened back there?
I believe the skinny bloke said he wasn't really into Star Trek, and well, we acted accordingly.
Voyager!
Pardon?
Star Trek Voyager.
Oh.
Anyway, not that, before that.
Not following you, mate.
You were dead on that table in there, and you got up and walked out.
I certainly was not.
Yes, you were.
I was not.
Yes, you
no,
were.
I was not.
Dun, dun, dun!
All right, fanny balls, back on the table.
You set me up.
That's right. And it wasn't even that convoluted of a plan.
Somebody call an ambulance.
We can't. The phone's disconnected.
What? Why?
I forgot to pay the bill.
You faggot!
Why?
You killed him.
Nah, he'll be alright. I just shot him in self-defense.
Bet you shot him in the head.
Oh yeah, I guess I did. Whoops.